Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Rashmi. And
Good morning, sir.
very good morning. Good morning,
Good
Pooja.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Deepika.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Shweta. Renuka is there? Renuka. Okay. Can we also switch on our cameras like yes?
Hi,
Please.
sir. Good morning.
Very good morning. So can we all switch on the camera like yesterday and be on mute? Who don't have difficulty, let's do that. Okay, great. So this is also very important. So, okay, great. Very good. Deepika. Okay, Renuka, you can go on mute.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when I, yes, oh, great. How about Deepika Shetty and Shweta? Okay, Rashmi, is there anyone yet to come?
No, sir. All are joined.
Okay, fabulous. Right. Great. So again, so how was the session yesterday? I'll start with Pooja.
Sir, yesterday's session was good. Sir.
Yesterday's session was good. Have you attended any training program like this before?
Yes, sir. In office, they came from iPoint from Mangalore.
Okay.
They given some English training before, I think 3-4 years back.
Okay. So what did they cover in the training? How long was that, and what did they cover?
Almost it will take 1 week maybe.
Okay.
They teach us how to send an email.
Okay.
That and
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. So for 7 days it was, and how many hours in a day?
1 to 2 hours. And
1 to 2.
one day they asked us to come on Sunday also.
Okay.
That day they given us some like multiple choice question like exam they conducted.
Very good, very good, very good. Pooja, let me also tell you, because see this batch for everybody, this batch is a very short batch, right? So what when I say short, very less members. I can see only 4 and 6 members, but there are other batch which is around 20 and there about that, right? So we have enough time. So more than kind of a training, it's like more of it's kind of a tuition kind of a thing, right? So because we will have more time. So what I'm now doing is that we are head of our thing, what you should do. So I'll be doing these kind of conversation with you, and so I'll also make a lot of notes for you where I can help you. So Pooja, your speaking skill is very good. You're able to understand what's being said clearly, and you're also able to respond very nicely. So that is a pretty good thing which I realized from your end. Okay, so that is a plus. Great. And another thing, Pooja, had breakfast?
Yes, sir, I had.
Okay, what did you have for your breakfast? What's your favorite breakfast, and who cooks for you?
For me, my mother-in-law is good.
Okay.
Today dosa, sir, like in our Udupi, we will say kapari.
In Udupi?
We are saying for that kapparoti.
Kapparoti. Dosa is called kapparoti.
Yeah, it is made in not mud pan.
Okay, it's made from the mud pan. Oh,
Yeah.
mud pan you have. Pan itself is mud.
Yeah.
But how can you turn the dosa this side, that side, and all?
No, we are not turning. Only one side will be.
So it will be hard dosa.
Yes, hard, little hard.
Okay, and you have chutney with that.
Yeah, yesterday my mother cooked chicken curry, so today kaparoti and chicken curry.
Okay, so you're very blessed. Your mother-in-law cooks the food for you.
Yes, sir. She is only cooking. I'm just cutting vegetables and giving, and
Oh.
all cooking she only is doing.
Okay, okay, brilliant, brilliant, Pooja, fabulous. So I'll get on to the sisters now, and Akshita. I'll start with Akshita Shetty. Akshita, hi.
Hi sir, good morning.
Very good morning, Akshita. We can't see you fully, so your camera has to slightly turn a little bit down. Ah, that's fine. Little bit more down. Okay. So you both are
It's
sitting.
fine, sir.
This is fine. So you both are sitting next to each other.
Yes sir, yes.
Okay, okay. And same mobile phone you're using or different mobile phone?
Different mobile phone.
Different mobile phone.
Now we are using laptops, different laptops.
Okay, fabulous, fabulous. So you both are twins? Twins.
Yes sir, yes.
Okay, so who's elder? You or who's elder? Ankita or Ankita?
Ankita is elder.
Ankita is elder. Okay, great. So how was the session yesterday?
It's good sir. If it is a new thing, yesterday we learned by yours. And
I can hear you. You can carry on. We all can hear.
okay sir, okay. It's a good thing we can learn a new thing by day, so we can
Right.
improve
Right.
ourselves.
Right. Okay. Good. Good. So, in the same question, what's the favorite breakfast, and who cooks it for you?
My favorite food is like egg item I like.
Okay.
Then morning's food mummy will prepare. She used to prepare everything. Today we had neer dosa with chutney.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Fabulous. Fabulous. So I'll get on to your elder sister, Akshita.
Okay sir. Okay
Okay.
sir. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ankita.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ankita. So how was the session yesterday?
Yesterday's session was very good. We enjoyed a lot. We learned many things. For future also, we will learn many things. That I hope.
Okay. We just started. Actually, there are a lot of things. As I said, no, the members of this group is very small. So more than kind of a classroom, it's more of like a personal attention. So it become like a tuition kind of a. Now what I'm doing is that when I'm talking, no, I'm also seeing how you are able to talk, your confidence, and right. So these are things we cover. So that is also I'm making notes for myself. So that is precisely because this is more of a conversation thing which we will have, and at the same time we will improve the language as well. Okay. So have you gone of training before? This kind of English training have you gone before?
Yeah, sir. In MCA we had a soft skill. It took one week we had. It is
Okay.
like for how to attend the interview. Like so they are providing some book. We have to solve that one. They will teach us with something like how to solve, what all the things, how to attend the interview. That all things they have been given. Then we had a group discussion. Then aptitude questions. What all aptitude for one company? What all things we have to cover, like grammars or like some aptitude questions, technical. That all things they are giving a training for 1 week. Full from 9 to 5 o'clock we had a full session. No classes for 1 week.
Right, right. Oh, okay. Very good, very good. So these are the things you have gone through. Maybe more of preparing for your interview, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. And so the same question to you: what's your favorite breakfast? And of course, your mother cooking the same thing for you.
Yeah, she will only cook. She's only cooking. She will cook today breakfast neer dosa with chutney. I like palau, like that items. I don't like dosa.
Okay. You don't like dosa. Okay, great. So brilliant. See, both of you are, when you're talking, no, both the sisters, you're putting a kind of a smile when you're talking. So that is very, very nice. That's a plus. And so that is something, keep doing that. So that is very, very important, right? So when you smile, no, what happens is that what you're saying becomes even pleasing to hear. So that is something you have naturally got that talent. So very, very good. Brilliant. So I move on to now Renuka.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Renuka, can you hear me?
Hi, sir.
Okay, great. So Renuka, how are you? Did you have your breakfast today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what did you have?
Poha, sir.
Oh, poha. Poha is also very famous in that region, right? Maharashtra and all. They put the groundnut and those kind of things, rice. And
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. So what's your favorite? Who cooks that for you?
Neer dosa, sir.
Okay, who cooks?
My mother.
Your mother cooks for you. So your favorite thing is dosa.
Neer dosa, yes, sir.
Okay. Knee dosa meaning like ghee dosa. Is it ghee?
Sir?
Same dosa which Pooja was saying. That's a different. This is different.
Yes, sir.
This is different. Okay, fine. So how was the session yesterday?
Good, sir.
Good. Have you attended sort of training session before?
What, sir?
Have you attended any training session before, like this English training session?
No, sir.
You haven't attended. Okay, so this is the first time you are attending. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Great, Renuka. So thank you. So I'll move on to the other participants. Keep your camera on. You can switch on your mic, Renuka. Let the mic, yes. And Deepika Shetty.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Deepika. Very good morning. Switch on your and keep the camera also on. Right. You can go on mute once you finish. Right. And so we can all see you, and other participants can also see you. Pooja can see you. Akshita can see you. Ankita can see you. Renuka can see you. Right. Are you all from the same place? Karnataka, of course. Are you all from the same Kapu or someone is from
Kapu.
You are from Kapu. How many are from Kapu? Here.
In Desicrew.
Katpadi, sir. Katpadi.
No. Here in today's training, how many are from Kapu? Only you are from Kapu.
No, sir. I am Vika.
Okay, Renuka is from Kapu. Deepika is from Kapu. Akshita and Ankita are from Udupi. That's what they said, I believe. Hope I'm right. And Pooja is from... Oh, Akshita is from Kapu. Pooja?
Sir, my mother house is in Kapu, but now I am in my in-laws house. It is
Okay.
little far from Kapu, like around 6 kilometers from Kapu.
Okay, around 6 kilometers from Kapu. Okay, fine. And okay, so Deepika, the same thing for you. Did you have breakfast? And
Yes, sir.
what's your what did you have today? And what's your favorite breakfast? Who cooks for you?
Today is dosa, sir, and my favorite food is idli sambar.
Oh, your favorite food is idli sambar. Okay, who cooks the food for you?
My mother.
Your mother cooks. So you also know cooking little bit?
No.
You don't know. Okay, fine. So how was the session yesterday, and what did you find interesting?
Good, sir.
Okay. Okay. Have you attended any training session like this before?
No, sir. No, no.
So this is the first time. Okay. And is this also your first job? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is also your first job. Okay, great. So how long you have been with Desi Crew now?
4 months, sir.
4 months. So you enjoy here? You're enjoying. Okay, good. Very good, Deepika. So you can go on mute now, but keep your camera on. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
I'll go to Shweta. Hi, Shweta.
Hi, sir.
Shweta, very good morning. Please keep your camera on. Like everybody, see now everybody can see each other. We feel happy when we see each other, or we feel sad. Pooja is also smiling. Akshita and Ankita, they are always smiling. Renuka has got big smile. Deepika has, I can see, a big smile. Right? So now this is the beauty of the training. Right? So because if I also put my mute, then what will happen? Then it will be more like an audio. So now we can see the expression. See, this face will give you kind of an expression. Right? Who's laughing, who's understanding, who's not understanding, right? And also see human touch is there, right? So because when we talk face to face, then what happens is that there's kind of a human touch and becomes very interesting. And then this 1 hour will be very, very great, right? So that is something which we all can focus, right? So Shweta, coming back to you, the same question. So you have to unmute yourself. So did you have your breakfast? What's your favorite breakfast and who cooks for you?
My favorite breakfast is pulao, sir.
Pulao. Okay. Who cooks for you?
Mother.
Who?
Mother.
Mother cooks for you. Okay, fine. And have you attended any sort of, how was the session yesterday before I go to that question? Did you like the session yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Were you there yesterday in the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you liked it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Right. And also another thing is that have you attended any sort of training session like this before?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Shweta, also if there is some disturbance, no, you can put on your mic on mute and camera on mute. Get into a place where you are alone for this 1 hour. That is a requirement. Okay, for this 1 hour, we will be spending here. Okay, if there is any small disturbance, that's understandable, but then your focus will not be there. So this training is for you only, for all your participants here. Desi Crew has initiated this, so make the best of it. Okay, if it is not done, then it's fine, maybe today, but ensure it's being done. Okay, great, fine. So what I did now, what did I do now? Anybody? What did I do? I was having a conversation with you. Okay.
Asked.
Yes. Yes, Akshita, please.
Asked feedback about yesterday's session.
Absolutely. Apart from that,
Whether we are confident or not.
To check whether you have
Observe face expression.
okay, observe the face expression, observe the confidence, and I also made you talk. I made you talk, right? So when we are making talk, see, I don't know how long do you all talk in English, right? So that may not be on a regular basis. You may not be able to do. So this is precisely what we will be doing on a daily basis. I'll be asking question, you will respond, and then we will get into kind of a conversation about the basic thing about our life. So that will make this training also interesting, and also at the same time we are also speaking and we are also learning. So that is something. Then post this week, then I'll start giving you the feedback, because I'm already making a lot of feedbacks now. Where are the things which you can work? And at this point of time, I feel you're all doing good, because you are able to understand what I'm able to say. That is very, very important. Then you're able to respond as well. So that is very, very important, right? So that this facet of the thing which you have already done. Okay, great. So let me carry on with today's thing. Let's see what we can cover today. And so I will be sharing the screen with you now. So just give me 1 second while I do that. Can you all see the screen now? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, brilliant.
Yes, sir.
Right. Brilliant. Now, the thing is that, see, if you look at here, it talks about the preview of the training program. So this is what we are going to do now. So what is a preview? So anyone, what is the meaning of preview? What is preview? Okay, no.
I think
Yes.
what is done in yesterday's session.
Okay, that is like kind of an revision thing, right? So that is one good try. A preview is something like a trailer. Like a movie comes, before a movie comes, what do they show? They show a trailer, correct? You see a trailer. So that is precisely preview. Preview meaning before the actual event happens, you see what is in a short bit. Because see, when there is a movie which is released, they can't show you all the 3 hours movie, right? No, they will not be able to show. They will show a 5-minute or a 2-minute caption, which will tell you what is there in the movie, who's the actor, who's the actress, right? What is the story about? And so that you get excited, then you will say, okay, let's book the ticket, let's go and see the movie, right? So that is what it is. So that's a preview. So this is a preview of the training program. Okay. Now this preview is a new word. None of you knew it, preview. So what you should do is that, I think Akshita made a note. So make a note, right? This is a new word. What is this word? Preview. Right. So what you can do is that you can make a sentence tomorrow, and I'll ask first thing in the morning. Right. So have a pen and paper handy, a pen and a paper handy, any notebook or any diary and all. Keep it with you. Keep making notes. There will be new words which will be coming. See, English is all about vocabulary. Like Kannada is vocabulary. So Kannada meaning for breakfast you have a word, for dinner you have a word, for so many things you have a word. So that is vocabulary, right? So similarly, this is a new word. So now if somebody asks you tomorrow what is preview, unless and until you keep in your mind, you will not be able to know what is preview. So that is very, very important. So preview. So this is a preview of the training program. Okay. So now I'll show you what we are covering in the preview of the training program. Okay. So first thing first is that I spoke about this vocabulary, right? So this is the foundation. You see, this is a vocabulary. So this vocabulary have words. It's of course English. So there are activities like box card, magazine, contest, right? Then song web. So many things are there. So this is a vocabulary. Suppose I go to a market, right? I have a basket, right? I take a basket and I go and buy vegetables. So, and also there is a fruit shop as well. I buy some fruits as well, right? So this is a basket. So language is also a basket. Language is a basket of all the words, right? So that words. And then when we are learning, we can keep it simple. We can keep it simple, right? When we are learning, we can keep it simple. But this basket is very important. How will you answer? Say I ask you, what did you have for breakfast? So, sir, I had this for my breakfast. I had this for my breakfast. I had that for my breakfast. So it is like, so what you do is that you're using words, those words. So similarly, this preview was a word which you came to know now. So don't forget this word. So it shouldn't go in your mind, and you should make a lot of sentences of this, right? So I've already given a task for you. Preview, you make your own sentence, and don't go and Google first of all. First thing is that use this, because that is very important. You all have a lot of skills here, right? So use this. How can I use preview, right? And then make a sentence. So from your end, it's so easy to go to Google and search something. You can do that, but before you do that, do this. So that will help you in terms like learning. So that is one step. Okay, fine. So let's go back to this vocabulary. So we will be talking about how to build this foundation. I talked about the building. I think one of you said yesterday. I think it's the sisters. They said to build something, you need a strong foundation, right? So we will be doing that here in terms of creating a foundation. But as I also said, the time is a bit limited. So we will have limited time only. So I'll tell you, I'll motivate you in terms like how you can carry this journey as well. Because in this 48 hours is something which is very limited, but I'll try and motivate you enough so that you carry this journey beyond as well. Okay. So now another thing is that why do we need a foundation? So what is foundation and what is mindset? See, unless and until it comes from here, the mind, nothing is possible, right? So, see, today I think I'm doing 3 classes, so maybe I might be saying something in some class. I may not remember. I don't know whether I said in this class. You all women, including Rashmi as well, 7 of you. See, now the things have changed now because women are also become empowered. You know, empowered. What is empowered? Anybody? In that word itself, there is a meaning. Empowered.
Strong woman.
Strong woman, and they have power. Right? Today's women are power because you all are educated. Now, because once you get educated, there is what do you call? Some 20 years or 25 years ago, it was very difficult to get a job also. Once you graduate from a college, you don't know what you will do, whatever you studied. But today it is like so many opportunities are there, right? There are BPOs, there are, if you've studied well, then you can get into an IT company, and then there are like Zomato, these kind of processes where the food delivery is happening, right? So many things are there. So now if somebody wants to make a living, especially women I'm talking about, right? Even you can make a living. Make a living meaning, what is make a living? Meaning to earn. How do you make your living? Make a note of this thing. How do you make your living? Renuka, you understood? How do you make your living?
No, sir.
Okay. How do you make your living? You asked me this question. Repeat what I said. You asked me. How do you make your living?
How to make a living?
No, how do you make your living? You're asking a question to me.
How do you living?
No. How do you make your living? Ask me.
How do you make your living?
Okay. Make a will not come. How do you make your living? Okay, make a note now. I'm saying make a note. How do you make your
Yeah.
living?
Living.
Now, Renuka, can you ask me?
How do you make your living?
Fantastic. Okay, brilliant. Okay, now I'll answer. I make my living by working in a company which is called Desi Crew, and I am a English trainer. So I work as a trainer and I make my living. So how does Renuka makes a living? Renuka works in Desi Crew and she makes a living by working in Desi Crew. So you've got another word, which is how do you make your living? How do you make your living? Meaning, what do you do? I make my living. I'm a fisherman. How do you make your living? I'm an auto driver and I make my living. Okay. How do you make your living? I'm a cab driver. I drive cab. How do you make your living? I work in an IT company and I make my living. And how do you make your living? I work in a bank. So I make my living by working in the bank. Okay. I'll tell you one more important secret of this particular language. Right? So when we are learning, always keep it simple. That is very, very important. There is a word KISS which is called keep it simple and short. KISS is keep it simple and short. If you want, I can type here as well, right? So I can use this. So the word for this is that keep it simple and short. Right? So when we are learning, see, suppose I come to Kannada or Karnataka and I have to live there for some time. And so what will happen is that I need to know the language, because when I'm there in the office, all of you will talk to me in English. But when I go to market, when I have to buy something, how will I talk? Will the shopkeeper talk in English? No, I have to manage in Kannada. So what I'll do is that I'll keep it simple. I'll keep it short, right? So the person will be able to understand what's being said and what's been done. So that is pretty important. And also another important thing is that always when somebody is talking to you, complete the sentence, right? So for example, what's your name? My name is Pooja. It's not Pooja. So your language will look even better. What's your name? My name is Deepika. Or maybe I can't see, is it, I can't see the name. Okay, right. So my name is Renuka, my name is Shweta, my name is Rashmi. So complete the sentence. What did you have for breakfast? I had dosa for breakfast. Don't say dosa. So when you do that, it will look like you are speaking nicely. Right? So that is something when you are learning. When you have learned, then it's fine. But when you're learning, no, because when you are saying, I had dosa today for my breakfast, it looks so great. And it is very simple. I had, what did you have? Dosa for breakfast. What did you do yesterday? I went, you can say movie. Oh, I went for a movie yesterday. Okay, so what did you do last week? I went to the beach. Who came along with you? I went or my family came along with me. Is it looking better? Deepika Shetty,
Yes, sir.
is it looking better? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
We can do that. Okay, so so this is we can do that. See, you understand Hindi, Deepika?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अगर आपको डिफिकल्टी है मेरे से हिंदी में बात करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वी आर इन द फर्स्ट वीक ओनली. Do you work? For example, I work for Zomato process. Where do you live? For example, I live in Kapu. You will not say I Kapu. Especially when you're talking in English. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
समझ आ गया? समझ आया?
हाँ सर, यस, समझ में आया.
ठीक है. अच्छा देखो, अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया, कल मैंने बोला था ना, there is no doubt is a silly doubt. Immediately stop me and ask me. I'll be able to help you. You got it? But you should understand what's being said. Okay, great. So let's move on. Is it clear for other participants? Can we all do that? Pooja, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, and so this is something which we can carry on doing, so that which will make language better. Okay, so let's get back to the screen again. Okay, another very important thing is that mindset. What is mindset? What is mindset? Mindset the things which is required, where it will start from first
Think
of all.
positive.
Brilliant. So where is positivity coming from? Very good answer. Very good
I
answer.
can do.
Okay, so where it's coming from? Sorry? Your sister is helping you. That was the right answer. Akshita said something, I think. Mind, you said, Akshita? Okay, that's the right answer.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, coming from mind. Everything is here. If we don't want to do that, it will not. Right? So it's all in the.
Yes, sir, I can understand.
Fantastic. Sisters, you can understand Hindi?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay, Renuka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shweta? Yes? Okay, great. So देखो, ये जो जर्नी है, दिस जर्नी, ये 8 वीक के लिए है, 8 वीक्स के लिए, 8 वीक्स. आफ्टर 8 वीक्स क्या होगा? So you need the mindset. You can write in a notebook, you can put aside, and then वो notebook में ही रहेगा. It will not get into the action. So all these tips are very very important. आप on a regular basis आपको करना चाहिए, on a day to day basis, on a regular basis, because हमारे पास we may not have lot of people who talk in English, even in office, at home. At least Ankita and Akshita, they can talk with each other, right? Hopefully in English. So I don't know how about Pooja, but does Pooja have somebody who can talk? I don't know about Deepika or maybe Shweta or Renuka and all, right? So this is very very important that you find somebody whom you can talk. If not, you get into how you can start keeping there in the mind, how you increase your vocabulary. Vocabulary will not increase. आप 2 मिनट बात कर सकते हो, but उसके बाद क्या होगा? You need lot of words, and you should also know how to use this word in the sentence as well. That is very very important. So that is one thing which we have done. The first thing is that one word I've already given you. The word is what was the word? Preview. I've given a preview which you will make a sentence and come back tomorrow to the class. That is one. And another important thing is that I'll also give you mindset. There is another word. Make a note of it. We all know about mindset. Mindset is that दिमाग, मतलब आपका क्या mindset है? यार मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है यार. I want to enjoy in life. Very very right. So that is one mindset. नहीं, मेरे को I need to put hard work. I need to practice. I need to come up in life. That's another mindset. Another mindset is that yes, I want to put hard work, I want to put effort, but I also want to enjoy life. So that is another mindset. So everything is mindset. So mindset is another word. As I said, look for, try to make your own sentence and bring it here. I'll correct it. Don't show me the correct one from the net. Then there's no point. You're not learning, right? Even if it's mistake, bring it. Then I'll tell you what is the correction, because it could be a pattern. एक pattern हो सकता है. अब वही mistake बार-बार वही कर रहे हो, तो उसको हम यहाँ पे correct करेंगे. और 5-6 बार if you that is corrected, then what will happen is that you will feel that one correction is done, right? So that is what it is. If you're not able to get it, then probably look something in the net and see that and understand it. And we all agree with that. If you agree, just show your hand like this. Don't have to switch on the mic. So yes, all agree. Shweta agreed. Shweta, samajh aaya what is there? Okay, Shweta is doing a good morning salute also. Okay, great. Pooja is understood and everybody. Okay, great. So, right. So let's go to vocabulary part. Now, and also see, this is a tried and tested method. When I say tried and tested method, the vocabulary, those who wanted to learn any language, leave about English. English is very popular because English is a kind of a global language, right? Why it is English is a global language? Anybody? Why English is a global language? Why not Hindi? Why not Kannada? Why not Russian? दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ.
Because all are in every country we can speak English, so that communication we can make. So some people will not know like Hindi, Tamil. So
no, but how
English is a connecting word. So
but how it has become very good. But how it has become? कैसे बना? How did it become? Rashmi, you want to give a try?
No, sir, I don't know about that.
Okay, no issues. Hey, Rashmi, why you are on? You put on your thing as well, no?
Okay, sir.
Whenever you want.
Okay.
Okay, right. So see, you understand? Britishers were here for 300 years. Yes or no? 300 years they were there. For Britishers were here. So likewise, Britishers, they were there in all part of the world. They went to all part of the world. They captured their land. They put in their culture. They put in their language. They put in the food habit. They brought in the drinking habit. Right, all those things. So, and when they left the language, because when they are there for 300 years in our country, what they did is that they left the language also. Because we were started, it was introduced in the school. Before they came, I don't think so English was here. Right, so it started getting to the school because they wanted people who can talk in English. Because suppose Britishers are there, we are talking about say 17th century. 17th century, Britishers are there in Kapu, for example. If they come and talk to, for example, one of you, maybe they come and talk to Rashmi. What it is called? Global language. You want to make a note of it? What is global language? Meaning a language which is spoken. We have done today. One thing is that whenever we talk with the full sentence. That is very, very important. Whatever new word. See, when we are doing the training, we have got 2-3 new words now. I talked about global. Global meaning which goes around the globe, right? So that could be another one, right? So you can take global also now. Global could be another third word for you, global, which you will make sentence. For example, I want my company to go global. I'm giving you an example. I want my company to go global, meaning I have a company, right? And I want that company to go global, meaning not go everywhere, become global, meaning that company is there in America, which is there which is there in other places as well. So it's a global. So we have given 3 words today to make a sentence as well. I can make another sentence. Globally we will get together. Globally we should be united. I'm saying entire world should be united together. Entire world. So that no conflict happens. Everybody are peacefully living. So global. So there are 3 words which we have talked about. Right. So this will become vocabulary. Now let me also tell you, you will also come across a lot of lot of words on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes you will see on TV, sometimes you might see written in your training book, or sometimes your manager will say, or somewhere in the other place. So use these words and understand what is this word. And once you understand, put in your mind, keep a notebook and see for 5, 6, 7 or 10 days continuously that word. Right? If I tell you global now, global is a little bit easier word. But if I, for example, I say, what do you call? For example, I'm saying a word ambiguity. Ambiguity, meaning confusion, ambiguity. Don't take that word, that's right, confusion. Say, for example, I don't know the meaning of ambiguity. So I write it because the trainer told me ambiguity meaning confusion. I write in the thing, it's okay. Can I remember that after 1 week, if I just see one time, I'll forget. Right, so you might have to revisit the same book. I'm sure all of you will have a kind of a book now, right? So go through that book for 10 days. Same words. क्या meaning है इसका? कैसे sentence बना सकते हैं? What I can do? So if you do that, no, then that word will be in your mind. That will be your word now. Like global is your word. Make your living you understand. So it will become your word. Your word meaning your word. You know how to use this word. Now you need to find out how I can use it in the sentence. Right? So that is something about the language. Okay, fine. So now the thing is that, so this is the vocabulary part which we will be working on. So this is very, very important thing which we will be doing on a regular basis. I'll be talking and more now I'm talking more. After the first week, I'll make you talk more, right? So it's all about you. So you will be talking, then we will see how we can get better. I believe this 8 weeks is a great opportunity where we can do a lot of things. Even this 1 hour is more than enough, where we can create a kind of a platform, and then it will be all up to you how we can take it. So let's look because this would be enough for today. So we will also talk about, okay, I'm sure all of you see the screen. So what is written on the screen? Can anybody tell me?
Importance of English in corporate world.
Fabulous. Importance of the English in the corporate world. So this will be our assignment for today, tomorrow. I'll put the screen again. Everybody make a note of this. So everybody in the morning, what is the importance of English in the corporate world? Everybody understand what is corporate? Okay, so this is what we will do tomorrow. First of all, एक तो है कि you're telling somebody work hard, put your effort, do this, do that, etc., etc. The person will tell you why. Why should I do? I'm enjoying. Why should I do this? So this could be one question. So this is what it will be tomorrow. Why this language is very important. As I said, we were talking about the Britishers part, then we completely went into something else. So what I'm saying is that you all women can also have a career where you can support your family. Okay, I'll write another word, and you don't have to make a sentence of this. Make a note of this. I've written a word. Can you all see that word? I've typed it. Renuka, what is written? What is written? What is the word? CAREER. Okay. So that is, I've written here in the chat box. Okay. So if you can see in the chat box. Okay. So anybody know what is this career? Okay. That's fine. Career is that, again, how do you make your living? What's your career? Meaning it is not carrier. I'll write another word, carrier. Carrier meaning lunchbox carrier, tiffin carrier, or it could be fruit basket carrier. In my bike, the carrier where I can keep my things. Okay, how do you carry your thing? I carry in the back. That is carrier. This is career. This is career. Can you all switch on your mic and say career?
Career.
Career.
Career. Very good. Deepika.
Career. Career.
Okay. Career. Okay. And other word is carrier. So there is the difference between. So career meaning, what is the career you have? What do you want to do with your professional life? Meaning your life. So that is career. So there's a difference between career and career. I'll ask somewhere in tomorrow. So I'll ask the difference between career and career. So in your mind. So this is another word as well. I'm not giving a sentence for this one, but remember this. So this is something, career is different than career. So I'll quickly wind off this. We will talk about today's world. So now, because of the Britishers who are here for all this time and all, now we have a lot of opportunity, right? So in our country, there are a lot of opportunities. Like company like Desi Crew has taken a completely different thing. They have taken companies to the rural place, where what used to happen is that गांव से लोग शहर को जाते थे, correct? गांव से लोग शहर को जाते थे. Now Desi Crew has done कि हम गांव में लेके जाते हैं, काम को गांव में लेके जाते हैं, तो आप सब लोग, हम सब लोग काम कर सके. So that is the beautiful thing what they have done, right? So now we all have this opportunity. So आप क्या करना चाहते हो इस opportunity के साथ? What do you want to do? How do you want to go to the next level, right? For that, this language will be important. I've given a kind of a clue to already. Importance of English in the corporate world. So corporate, if you don't know what is corporate, does anybody know what is corporate? If you don't know, that's fine. Corporate is like professional world. It's a corporate company, meaning they are a big company. They have many branches. They are not only in one product, they're doing multiple products, like a big corporate like Tata, Mahindras, right? Brillas. So they are big corporate, meaning corporate. And so everything is done professionally. Like we go and eat in a restaurant, in a roadside restaurant, they may not be able to call themselves corporate, or maybe they have a hotel, they may not be able to call it. Corporate is like they have rules, regulation, procedure, they follow the label thing and all, right? And they file their income tax and they do the returns and all. So those kind of entities or the companies become the corporate world. Okay, so this is what it is. So what you will do is that think what it is, importance of the English in the corporate world. So you will think, and in fact, let me also tell you, this class is very nice, because if we have very huge numbers, then what happens is that it becomes too many people and all. So I'm really enjoying this class, because since it's very, very small, we are spending more time, and so that is something which we all I definitely feel. I'll ask you the same feedback from you tomorrow, and if you look at your clock, it's just 1 to 10. So what is 1 to 10? Meaning 1 minute for 10. So that tells us that we have come to the end of this particular training, and I'm sure you would have all enjoyed. So what we will do is that we will come back tomorrow again, and we will have another interesting day of training with you all. Okay, so can we all say bye and have a good day, all of you? Wave. Bye everyone. Okay, bye bye, see you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye. You can log off now. Deepika, you can log off. Rashmi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, she has gone. So how was today?
Yes, sir. Good.
Okay, okay, okay. Great. So this is a small class, no? And it is pretty nice also, I feel.
Yes, sir.
No? So this is a small class. This is a nice class, and because we can't do that thing, because if it's a big class, it will take time. Like yesterday, that evening class, which was the biggest one,
Yes. 6:30
no?
to 7:30.
Okay. So in this batch, we have only 6 members, huh? 6 members only we
Yes,
have.
6 members.
Okay, and so I'm sure you are keeping